Drop the stick. Get in the car.
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
Leo, you want a treat?
Oh, that was good. Don't give me those sad eyes, man. It's time for me to head out. I gotta go to work. Your sad eyes aren't gonna work with me anymore. You know why? Because you're living the dream.
Is he coming? Oh, Jesus. Look at the zoomies.
What are you doing? You just took a bath. Get up in.
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, it's such a cute smile.
Do you know them? No. But in the club, we all fam. What? In the club, we all fam. I don't... In the club, we are all family. Are you...
Come in right now. Come here right now. Cooper, come on. Come on.
2, 3. Hi. Oh, look at you. Whisper, 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 whisper. Speak.
Leia, what's the matter? He's back again. You decided that we don't. You're upset because Noor left and he's still here.
Your story. Like, what is it for you?
Hi, Grandma. I play baseball.
Can I get this paw? This paw. Paw?
You're not being a good boy. What were you just doing to Mom? Are you gonna tell them? What were you doing? You think it's funny? Is that really funny?
Hey, having fun.
Dak! Dak! Let go of her glove!
He's terrified. Kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it. He's appalled.
No!
Oh, shit. No! Mama, look at the dog. What'd you like? Marcy's laughing.
I think you might be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
How are we gonna feed him?
This is a loaf of floof bread. It is made out of floof and evil.
Yes, I do. I love you.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike. No, stay outside.
Uh-oh. Frank, it's not real. You just noticed that it's been up there for weeks.
The never-ending game.
It won't fit, Mom. Move over, loser. I fit. I had to bring my deck. running in opposite directions to see who Ava chooses.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
I'm saying Mom Gigi.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. Do you have any idea how fast I am?
A lot of juice in there, right?
Jump, 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 jump.
I love this case, and I love my sweet girls with extra bass. And this robot cleaner doesn't leave a trace. Yo, March.
What do you have? Are you doing some cooking? You got a whisk? Are you gonna do some cooking?
Do you want to go to the groomers? Do you? You have to go to the groomers, baby.
Tintin, you want to come in?
Oi. Yeah, I'd be scared too.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah, get it, girl. Yeah.
But he is filthy. And like he's really down there. Like we literally just got home. I just took him out there so he could.
They drained me.
Amy, you know you hear me talking to you.
He looks that big on there, doesn't he? His head look big. What do you think?
Okay, I'm gonna see you in 6 days. No. I know, sweetie, I'm sorry. I'm going to see your Auntie Kara and my niece.
Okay.
What the heck?
Lyra, what are you doing? You want to make a TikTok? You want to, is this you telling me? Say, when you make a TikTok, Mom. Yeah.
What's that? What's that?
The disrespect.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Good.
It's not coming from the flat above, it's coming from there.
Looks into the different types of.
Give that to me. Give me that. Give me that. Hank?
Motherfucking God. That motherfucker.
The quote says, when you come out of the storm, you won't be the same person that walked into it. That's what the storm is all about. When you can't control what's happening to you, control how you respond to it. That's where your power is.
Henry.
Quincy. It's a good shimmy.
Did you catch that?
A cara de brava da Zahara lá no fundo.
Did you dig that hole?
Why are you playing the piano?
Did you eat everything? What did you do?
Marvin, you're adopted.
It tastes better in this restaurant with all this around.
You're adopted.
Cam. Cam.
Where's your ball?
Oh, what's that? Yeah.
What's up, darling? You're asleep. Why don't you just go to sleep?
Now, what do the players feel when they come down to see the ball of the fairway? What I am looking at, you guys continue to get right up in the air, full swing, full release. With the 200 ball.
This nigga fucking weird. Go out. Fucking bastard.
Goes down 500.
Hey!
En dan start hij die rotor. Die is vroeg. Laat hem zakken.
What are you doing? No minutes. No minutes. What are you doing?
What is? He comes.
Levin, come on.
Ooh.
Puppy attack!
Se me pierde por no ir en Colombia.
Shorty had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur, with the fur. The whole club was looking.
Livia, this way. Take him to mom. Take him to mom. No, pick him up. You're better than this. Pick him up. Here. All right, good. Livia, come on. Take him to bed. Go 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 to bed with him. Take him to mom. Take him to mom. Go, Livia, up to bed.
Oh, you're so
Good girl.
Thank you. Oh, you're the best.
You gonna do it? Are you gonna do it?
Get him. Where's Judah?
What a fucking bitch, bruh. Honestly.
Hi, Roland. Hi, Roland. Hi, Rolly. Do you want a hug? Boy, buddy.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, lifty
That
loop.
was a good one.
Yeah, lifty loop. Uh-huh.
Bro, where is you going? What is you doing?
Oh my gosh, you okay? Boy, good boy.
If you want birthday belly rubs? Okay, show us your belly. Okay, okay. Belly rubs!
Come here, Mika. Come here.
Your bed.
To share mom's love. No.
That's Trump's bed. Hey. I know, buddy. I know.
So cute.
Yeah.
You do your best. All right. Get it. Yeah.
Hey!
Get out. Get out. Leave Jackson alone. He's sleeping. Why don't you sleep?
Щипай. Щипай. Можно. Щипни его. Щипай. Щипай, щипай, сын.
You're not getting to my way because I found her stick and I'm...
Іди сюди, Дейзі. Дейзі. Кусти його там за сраку. Come on. You know what to do. Yeah. Here it comes.
Get it. Is he in there?
Come on, get in here. Come on, Zilla. Come on. Get in the yard. Come on. That was way too easy for you.